Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence here. If you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, good looking fried rice, coconut fried rice with shrimps. So stick around, I'll show you how. Okay, so we need our ingredients, of course, bell peppers, shrimps already marinated, a mixed veg already marinated, onions, Maggi cubes, habanero peppers, thyme, curry, garlic powder, and salt. So let's go ahead and chop up our bell peppers, like so, and chop up our onions, like so. And next, we're going to be blending our coconut. And when we're done blending, we'll sieve it, soak it in hot water and sieve it. And then in a clean pot, pour in your meat stock. If you are using meat, feel free, use your meat stock. I had preserved this meat stock previously from previous cooking, chicken stock rather. And then pour in your coconut milk in a clean pot. And then we'll go ahead and put in our spices, curry powder, thyme, ginger, and bay leaves, and that's salt. And then our cubes, bouillon cubes. Try out this recipe and let me know how you liked it, and feel free to share, okay? And then that's our blended habanero peppers, and we are going to be going ahead to put in our rice. It's already washed, a parboiled rice, like it's already washed, and we're going to put in, gauge your water. This coconut rice is not supposed to be soggy, it's supposed to come out crispy, so be careful with the water. And we're going to cover up the pot and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, and there you go. That's how it's going to look like. It's going to come out crispy, not mushy. So when we are done with that, in another pan, we are going to be heating up our oil and frying up our shrimps, our prawn shrimps. If you're using chicken, you can fry your chicken. So for the prawns, we're just going to fry for a little bit, maybe 2 minutes, a minute on each side. And when we're done, we're just going to take that out. And then we are going to be frying up our vegetables now, our bell peppers and onions. If you've gotten this far, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm gonna give it a good stir, let it sweat a bit. I love onions. I mean, when I was growing up, I did not like onions, but right now I love onions. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our mixed peppers, bell peppers. Look at that, look at how it looks, so bright, and it already smells good. Give it a good stir. And then we're going to be pouring in a marinated mixed veg. It contains corn, carrots, green peas, green beans. It's already marinated. The shrimps was marinated as well. Because we want our vegetables to be very tasty when we eat it, when we eat the rice. And then in bits, we are going to be putting our rice right now. See how it looks? It's very crispy, it's not mushy. So we're going to be stirring this up in bits. It looks so good. It smells good. Guys, try this out. Try this recipe out and share in the comment section how it went. If there are other recipes you would love for me to try out, just let me know. Just give it a good stir. And we're done with our rice. There you go, guys. That's your delicious looking coconut fried rice. Enjoy this meal with your family, and we will see you guys in the next video. That's how it looks. Just give it a good stir. And there you go. Coconut fried rice. Thank you guys for getting this far. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.